In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task template in Asana. If you find yourself rebuilding the same kind of task over and over, a task template will save you a ton of time and keep your process consistent. We'll walk through the exact flow to turn an existing task into a reusable template, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. First, head to the Asana login page. If you work across multiple organizations or spaces, double-check that you're signing into the right workspace so your template lands in the correct place. For this walkthrough, we'll use the Google sign-in option. Click Continue with Google and then choose your Google account to complete the sign-in. If your organization uses additional security, just follow those prompts and you'll land on your Asana home screen. Once you're in, open the project where the task currently lives. Templates are project scoped, so creating the template from the right project ensures it's available to your teammates exactly where they need it. Next, select the task you want to convert into a template. This is a great moment to make sure the task is set up the way you want it to repeat. Confirm the title is clear. The description outlines the steps, and any subtasks, custom fields, and attachments are in place. If the task has old dates or assignees that you don't want to carry forward, consider cleaning those up so the template stays flexible for new work. With the task open in the right-hand pane, click the three dots menu to open more actions. In that menu, choose Convert To, and then select Task Template. Asana will convert the current task into a template tied to this project. You'll see a template view that mirrors your task structure, including subtasks and fields, so everything is ready for reuse. A couple of quick tips as you finalize it. Use a clear, action-oriented name so teammates instantly know when to use the template. Include short instructions at the top of the description to highlight any must-do steps or quality checks. And keep fields and subtasks organized in the order work should happen, which makes it easier for others to follow. That's it. You've converted a task into a template in Asana. From now on, your team can replicate that structure in just a few clicks, keeping your process consistent and saving time on repetitive setup. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.